And I'm going to download the Unity Recorder. And let me close out of here first. So I'm going to start from scratch. So click on Window, go to Package Manager. Make sure that you're on Unity Registry. Click on the down arrow and make sure there's a check by Unity Registry. And go down to Unity Recorder. And what you want to do, you want to click on the Install button. I'm going to choose 303. And the Install button is all the way on the lower. It's on the lower right hand corner. You can barely see it, but it's there. So click on the Install button. It will say installing. I will wait a moment. Okay, there it goes. Excellent. Okay, it's gonna keep going. It's downloading the C# scripts for the recorder. Okay, great. So now it's downloaded. I'm not going to download the samples. I'm just going to click on the X. I'm going to exit out of Package Manager. And now I am going to go to Windows. I'm going to go down to the General, and then I'm going to go down to Recorder, and I'm going to click on Recorder Window. Now that I have the Recorder window open, it already has the check by the movie, which is great. And it has start or 45 seconds. Right here you have the recording mode. It has the time interval, or you can just do it manual, single frame interval, whatever you want to do, whatever you decide, but you can change that. And let me maximize this so you can see it. 9:16, you can change the aspect. What you want to do, you can do custom, which I had there. I did a little custom one. I'm going to click on 16:9. And you do FHAD, whatever you want. Just want to show you all the different features. But I'm going to just keep it like this. And you can change what directory you want it to save to. I'm going to put it this for test Viking. And this Viking village is free from the asset store in Unity. All right. And what it does, it automatically, when you hit the start recording, it will automatically start the play button. You don't have to do anything, but just wait for it. So let me go ahead and click on the start button. And there it goes. Goes out of the recorder. And now I'm going to go to the directory and bring up the video. So what you want to do, you want to go to the Viking Village directory or whatever directory that you had saved the recording to, and it always creates a folder called recordings. And it looks like I have a lot of stuff in here, but right here is the test Viking village. And let me double click. And there we go. There goes the video. Look how clear that is. Oh, this is so much better than their older versions. The older versions were a little bit, I don't know, it wasn't as good as this. Let's put it that way. This is really good. I'm really surprised. This is nice, especially since you're getting it for free. That's pretty amazing. And I did I didn't record the whole 45. I had stopped it because I'm just doing a video just to show you. So I stopped it. It was like 29 seconds I had to record it, but that's pretty nice, isn't it? So if there's anything at all, some type of video you want me to create, please let me know. Please like and subscribe, and everybody have a great day.